Welcome to Burnstown Blackout. My lower is complete, 100%, ready to roll. Now it needs the upper. The upper is a relatively fast build. I have my bev block in place. This will support my upper while I attach my barrel. Install the plastic pivot pin. I don't know why this pin's so tight. Could be the way they build it. A purpose, I guess. Bolt carrier slides in, locks into this pin here, holds it in place, keeps it snug. I've already removed the bolt from it. So it just pushes in. That's it. She's in place. Relatively simple, easy to install. So that's it, ready to work on. So we'll start the barrel install. Stay tuned. So the barrel install, as I said, relatively easy, simple. There's a couple of steps, obviously, with any install. Grease. They recommend a grease on this flange because it is riding up against aluminum, as any two different materials do, such as hardened steel, hardened aluminum. There can be an electric current generated which causes wear. There is a specific grease, the mil-spec grease, that they prefer on this. Again, grease is not always grease. There is conductive greases, there is non-conductive greases. Lithium grease is a non-conductive grease. It's not the one the military chooses to use. It's not the mil-spec grease. But I'm not in the military. I'm not going to be running anybody down with this firearm. It's for me alone, just to head to the range and do some plinking, some shooting, increase my skills and accuracy and have fun. On this barrel there's a pin right here which aligns with this notch. Makes it easy to install it that way. So he said it wasn't snug. Sorry for blocking, but if I can't get it in, and it does need to go in. We have to get an enforcer. I won't waste your time. I'll come back when I get it in. Okay, so the barrel did take a little bit of a persuasion, a little bit of enforcement on the end of the barrel. Rubber mallet only. This is threaded at this end. I don't wish to damage that. Don't wish to damage the crown either. Next is the barrel nut to install. So that also, because it's made of steel, I will put the white lithium grease on it also. Again, it's not mil-spec grease. They call for a Aeroshell 33M. They have a replacement out for that 33M. Aeroshell 76, I believe, is what it is. But again, it's a mil-spec requirement. I am not requiring mil-spec requirements on my firearm. It's just a fun gun. So this is the barrel nut. it goes on and will get tightened down to a certain spec with my bottle opener. Thank you, Eric, I know you like it. If I run out of use, or if they come out with a better wrench than this one, I may consider giving this one to you as a gift, just because, again, I know you like the bottle opener idea of it. So that's the barrel nut in place. It is not torqued down. It does have to be indexed properly to allow for a gas tube and gas block install, which goes in, lines up, and pushes into this hole right here, receiver hole, which connects to the bolt carrier group, allowing but that's not ready for that yet. So that's it installed. It does require torque, as I mentioned. Right here on the bottle opener it does say barrel nut torque 30 to, oh my god, old eyes, 30 to 80 foot-pounds, I believe that says. In this light, hard to see it, it is 30 to 80 foot-pounds. I'll start minimum at 30 foot-pounds, index the torque wrench properly on this going this way, bring her down. So, but again, it's something I won't be chasing right now. I'll get back to that later. Stay tuned. So I have set it to 40 foot-pounds. That's 40 foot-pounds right there. Indexed it. The gas block inserts, goes into the gas key of the carrier. Good to go. So I'll set that on next.